There's more evidence this evening that the surge in COVID-19 cases across the island is taking a toll on hospitals. Hospitals out west are running out of bed spaces to treat COVID-19 patients, while hospitals in St. Catherine and the corporate area are also having capacity issues. Fashion Brown has that report.
As the surge in COVID-19 cases continue, hospitals have been bursting at the seams. It's reported that several hospitals are running out of bed spaces on the COVID-19 ward. One such hospital is the Noel Homes in Lucy, Hanover.
We are at capacity with our cases that are admitted, and therefore we have to move into the next phase of how we manage these cases, and what that means is basically making space in other areas, restructuring things, and of course we have a system of cooperation within the region, how we can move patients around.
The senior medical officer says the hospital will try to maintain some of the services that it offers to the public, but challenges are ahead.
We do face a challenge of decreasing services. One of the issues is, of course, when you decrease services, there are persons who may not have COVID, but they have other critical illnesses that have to be addressed as well. And we are trying to find, how we can best address those cases by maintaining those services and making sure their health needs are met.
He says given that the hospital's COVID-19 isolation area is at capacity, another area in the hospital is being used to treat COVID patients.
We have an area that is equipped to manage COVID patients, and that is almost at capacity now. So that area was also an area that would see other patients as well, patients for observation, asthmatic patients. So we have to now relocate some services so that we can actually make sure the areas are safe for other patients who are there and for staff, so that all our COVID patients would be in one area.
The hospital doesn't keep critically ill patients, so it would generally transfer those patients to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James. But the problem is that Cornwall is also running out of space. In the meantime, the Southeast Regional Health Authority says that region is also having capacity issues. It says while none of the hospitals throughout St. Catherine and Kingston and St. Andrew are full, occupancy levels are high. Fashion Brown, TVJ News.